Okay, today we're going to be testing the theory that putting wax on your bullet will make your 22 more accurate. Um I shot in a 22 match for several years, and I heard people talking about this. You know, and like this match grade ammo that I used to shoot in that match with, it's already got a wax on it. So I just wonder about putting it on this that doesn't, if it'll make it more accurate. So to keep from getting a YouTube strike, I'm not going to show the actual melting of the crayon and putting it on the bullet, because I'm scared I'll get a YouTube strike there. But we're going to go shoot this ammo and see how it shoots. Best I can remember, it didn't shoot that great. But then we're going to put some wax on it and reshoot it and see if we get a better result. Okay, these first 5 rounds is just going to be the regular ammo with no. Okay, that is a horrible group. Now it's going to take a few shots of the wax to get down the barrel, so we'll go shoot like 5 or 6 of those, and then we'll come and shoot a group. Well, it's not that bad of a group. I had one flyer up here, but yeah, let's go fire a few rounds and get that wax down through the barrel, and then I'll come back and we'll shoot another group with the waxed. Okay, now I'm loading up the wax. I did go fire a few off camera. They did cause a malfunction. Didn't fully eject. That wax builds up pretty quick. Okay, I have the results here. This first one is without any wax on there. The widest group is 2.02. If you take out this flyer, it's 0.8, and then the one with the crayon wax on the bullets, 0.38 inch group. So crayon wax does work to help improve accuracy. Thanks for watching.